Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm going to do a super quick little video to show you an adjustable ring that I had shown people on the live stream last week. I also showed this adjustable ring in the live stream and people really liked it, so I do have a tutorial for that one that I'll link up below. So what you're going to need for the ring is your tools, a ring cone, 18 gauge wire, and an 8mm bead. So we'll get our wire. About a foot of wire is probably more than enough. And we'll stick our bead right on the wire. And what you want to do is we're going to bend the one wire one way and one wire the other way, okay? And you want to do it quite loosely, so what you can do is just like bring it around that one way, and then you can always like loosen it up a bit. And then this one we're going to bring around this way. So once you have it like this, we're going to put it on the ring cone and bring it around. So one to one side and one to the other. And we're just going to bend it all the way around. And this one too, all the way around. And the idea is you want to end it underneath the bead. Okay, so we're just going to make sure it's at the level that you want it to be, that's more or less the right size. And then we can go ahead and just pull that apart a little bit. Okay. And you want it to end underneath. So to show you this one, it just ends like you just cut it really. So we're just going to cut this one here. And then cut this one here, so it just ends like right underneath the bead. And then you can definitely file those ends if you want. The main thing is you want to make sure they're not poking into the fingers. So if you have to like kind of bend this up a little bit, like just super slightly, you can do that. Just bend it up like super slightly, and then you're going to fit it back on the ring form in the position that you want, and just push it around so it's like how you want it to be. And then you'll see, you know, it's a lovely ring. Those ends don't get caught, but you definitely want to use like a thicker wire, so 18 or 16 gauge wire. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share pictures of your wire work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook, where we share inspiration, tutorials, and all kinds of resources for wire jewelry making. If you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in wedding cake toppers and custom wire jewelry. And also, if you'd like to be on my mailing list, I have a little mini ebook, Wire Art Essentials, that I'll send you, and I'll link that up below as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.